Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mark with Wear Parts, and today I've got Eric Derry with us from our customer care team. And what we wanted to speak about today is Chisel Plow Sweeps. The first thing I want to mention is they're all the base material. What the sweep is actually made out of is the high quality boron steel tempered to 48 to 52 Rockwell. Eric, tell us a little bit about the specifics of the Chisel Plow Sweeps that we carry.
Okay, the standards that we have, all of them are 50-degree shanks. So they're going to fit on the vast majority of chisel plows out there. There's a few that have different shank angles, but we focus on the ones that are 50 degrees. That's going to be a 2-inch shank, so your width that it's going to be fitting on is going to be 2 inches. The hole spacings are 2 1/4 inch,
Okay.
which is pretty standard. And then 1/2-inch holes. So we'll put those 1/2-inch plow bolt holes right in there for them to bolt on.
Good. Okay. And we offer them all the way from 6 inches wide, all the way up to 22 inches, and they're all a stay wide clipped wing type sweep.
Yeah, so if you notice on these sweeps, these wings are running parallel right out here, so that as that sweep wears back, it's going to maintain that same cutting width throughout its life.
Gotcha. Okay. And then they're all 1/4 inch, or no? We do have some 5/16 as well.
Correct. Yeah, and the larger sizes we do both 1/4 inch and 5/16.
And 5/16. Okay. And then we also do hard faced as well as plain. And on the hard face, we've done it both top hard face and bottom hard face. And sometimes we do the stems as well, where you hard face just right up each side of these bolt holes, just to help as the dirt rolls up so that the stem doesn't wear away from the actual wing part. Tell us a little bit about the cold metal transfer hard facing, Eric.
Right, on the wings we use a cold metal transfer hard facing. So it's a hard facing process that uses an electric arc, but it's a very specialized, a much less heat intensive process. So one of the key words in there is cold. So the temperature that we're putting this material on is much lower than you would get whether it be oxyacetylene or traditional arc hard facing. Allows us to do it robotically, that way we can set it up to run, and we're not exhausting the guys out trying to run this entire long bead here, and very consistent also. The material that we're putting on, one of the great things about it is that because of the temperature, it's not going to dilute down into the base material. It's not going to have those temperature differences in cooling and heating that could potentially cause cracking.
Cracking, okay.
And also, it's not affecting the temper of that base metal either.
That's one thing we've noticed in after hard facing it, taking it to a lab and getting the temper check just outside of the bead. The temper of the base material is at the same as it was prior to hard facing, so that's a win. And I think that's one of the things that we focus on here at Wear Parts with the boron sweeps at 48 to 52 Rockwell and the hard facing at 58 to 62 Rockwell, another 10 Rockwell harder, is that you're going to get longer wear life, reduced downtime, and lower cost per acre. I think in some of the tests that we've done with our sweeps, we're coming back 15 to 25% longer wear, which is a win for the farmer. So success all the way around. Very good, and that's it for today from Eric and I on Chisel Plow Sweeps. Thank you for joining us. Good afternoon.